Hey guys, what's happening? Just going to jump over onto Hadiri hash graph here, HBAR, and just run through this trade that we're looking at the moment. So currently sitting here on the on the 2 hour time frame. Sitting on the 2 hour time frame. So we had this. A lot of the alts are actually sitting in the same position here, but we had this 2 hour whale block that we need to come mitigate. This is the last push up, swept a little bit of liquidity in here before this large sell down, which generated this massive imbalance in the market here. What I've been naturally watching is we did have this break of structure to the downside, so we've got this sign of weakness in the market. We are following this 100 EMA down nicely as well. I don't trade off the 100 EMA. We just use it as a confluence. As you can see here, when we get into it, I'll go through the details on that. But we did have this break of structure. We've formed these equal lows, which didn't get purged here. So you can sort of run these through as triple lows that we need to sweep. We've come up and we had this liquidity at the top here, and we had this slight imbalance that still needed to be filled on the 2 hour time frame. Monitoring our volume at the same time as price here. This is critical to see. So we had a large volume bar, but a low spread body compared to the rest of it. So we have this bullish bar, and we have sort of semi-high volume, bullish bar, lower volume, massive wick, low spread on the body with a large volume bar. So this is a sign that we will be reversing at sometime soon. So from this position, we had the liquidity purge here. This is what I was saying. Retail traders might jump down onto the lower time frames, which we'll do, and we'll do right now actually, and they'll be trading off. They would have traded off this. So we'll jump down into our I think we'll go into our 15 minute for a second. So jumping down onto our 15 minute, you can see the obvious liquidity purge. This is whales buying, taking all the liquidity that's above here, purging all the retail stop losses before falling back down. I want to jump in here, so I want to even get deeper into the charts. I want to even go down maybe into the 5 minute and see what we can see. Find this last whale block zone. Let's clear this off. Got some analysis that we pulled up earlier. So what can we see here on the 5 minute chart? So we still do have an imbalance sitting here in the market, but clearly we've hit the higher time frame zone with a massive push up. And we have come back down. We've generated these sort of little accumulation zone, and then we've broken the structure here. So what I've got marked up here is a mitigation of this last 15 minute whale block, which is the last buy before the sell down that broke structure. So this is a valid whale block for us. We also have this section of imbalance in the market. Imbalance. We have this section of imbalance in the market that we've come and filled 50% of it. I was waiting to come and fill that to put a short order in. I was going to wait to fill this imbalance to put this short order in, but it looks like the market could be moving, could catch a few more resistance inducements at these double lows. We have trendline liquidity that needs to be swept. So from this position, if we do get that wick up, I will be monitoring it. I'll have alarms set on that. We can jump back down onto the hourly time frames, and let's have a look at what we can see for take profit zones. So we do have these triple bottoms we were talking about earlier. We do have this inefficiency or imbalance in the market here that needs to be filled. So in regards to take profits, I will sort of take profit at this last big sell candle before this push up that drove up. So that will be a take profit. So we're looking to pick up sort of 4% if we do. We'll be setting the take profit at I'll go 50% of that imbalance, and then we'll be trailing trailing the stop loss on Horiana candles because, I mean, the market is extremely bearish. We have purged liquidity to the upside, so we've completed the objective, if you like. We've filled the complete imbalance in this trading range, in the range we're trading in at the moment, and we have the inefficiencies and imbalances down the bottom here. So, if anything, I can see the market coming down and at least filling our imbalance down here. We will hold and close it out on the trailing on Horiana candles with our EMA, closing through our EMA. So yeah, that's what we're looking for here on HBAR at the moment. So this signal goes out to the VIPs. All our signals go out to the VIPs in real time. And we do teach our analysis, so you can actually learn how we trade and how we give our signals out. So yeah, guys, feel free to join the community and a few more trades like this. Catch you later.